Woman wants to be happy and peaceful career. Common woman can do miracle. Right action, right decision and right communication. How you can set your brain for multitasking. How you can switch your career in your passion. A couple of weeks, couple of months, they are earning double. If your hobby is your profession, then nothing like it. Search of this career, I spent 22 years of my life. I need my niche and my pain created invention, health, skills and wealth. ये तीन चीजें तो लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Shivangi Sinha and today I have with me Prajakta ma'am who is the founder of PinkFit. To explain her, I don't have any words. She is having an engineering degree, she is a classical dancer, she is also a fashion designer and today she is the founder of PinkFit Foundation. Now today we are over here meeting her to understand her next upcoming session. This is basically with respect to the self-awakening and a career guiding session, especially for women. I, being a working woman, actually want to understand ये session self-awakening or career guidance कैसे important है for women like us. And can you please put on your 22 years of career and your journey and explain us this, how is this going to be useful for us?
Thank you so much, Dr. Shivangi. Woman wants to be happy and peaceful career. The search of this career, I spent 22 years of my life and I proudly say the right passion, right career. Actually, my passion converted into a career and that's is a real satisfaction. And for that, I struggle and I give opportunity to myself. I always keep my door open. And all this 22 years of journey, I meet very talented people, CEOs, doctors, and from the different field. And now I feel like every woman should follow their passion. And for that, they need to give a chance, at least one chance for everything. Like I love dancing, I join classical dance. I love fashion, I join fashion designing institute. I love fitness, I become fitness coach, and that's how my journey started. So first of all, my need, my niche and my pain created invention. Many of the women who already transformed through pink fit therapies, through my guidance, they are understanding what exactly they want and now they are knowing the purpose of their life. So there are thousands of live example. They are with us in this 3 hours workshop.
मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ, especially for the listeners who is listening to us, how can you actually connect and say that आप जो हमारे लिए ये session करा रहे हैं, this is actually different from all the other sessions which we have gone through or we have attended?
In the industry, there are specialists who are guiding us, but why PinkFit Awakening workshop is because all are very common women, and I believe common women can do miracle. They have that power, but the confidence, they are not understanding their inner voice. Like you are the youngest PhD holder in your field, it's happened because of your passion. But after meeting you, I realize your real passion is dance, and that's what this workshop real point is. If you choose a career in dance therapy, you can earn double, you can satisfy double, you can happy double. And that's what I learned in my 22 years, and that's what I wanted to teach you, how you can switch your career in your passion. That is the real insight of this workshop. Also, the common one who already achieve their goals, means I have seen they are earning in CR. Like 2 months before, their package is in lakhs, and now just after 2-3 months or couple of weeks, couple of months, they are earning double. It is not just because skills or talent, it is because right action, right decision and right communication with people, and that's how they reach too high. And I'm damn sure like you are also thinking about second career option. Same here, everyone who will be present in the workshop, they have their own passion, and I know they are going to start second career option, second financial option, second hobby which gives them wealth. And हेल्थ, स्किल्स एंड वेल्थ, ये तीन चीजें तो लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और ये तीन चीजें आएगी तो हैप्पीनेस और सेटिस्फैक्शन तो उसके पीछे पीछे भागते आएंगे। और ये हमारा रियल कॉज है कि आप अपने कोर को पहचानो, अपने पैशन को पहचानो, उसको साथ साथ शुरुआत करो, अपने करियर के साथ साथ हॉबी और पैशन को शुरुआत करो। इन दिस वर्कशॉप आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू हाउ यू कैन मल्टीटास्क and how you can set your brain for multitasking, because many of them are ready to do. If their brain is ready, body is not ready. If body is ready, brain is not ready. How you can coordinate mind body connection, how you can increase connection between your right and left brain hemisphere, because all the signals you are getting from your brain. And that's what my study and research is saying. Yes, you can do it. I did it, you did it, then you women can also.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। आई फील आपको सुन के बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें कनेक्ट होती है विच वी गो थ्रू डे टू डे लाइफ। लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस आपने मल्टीटास्किंग मेंशन की, एंड यू हैव ऑल्सो मेंशन अबाउट द फिटनेस, एंड यू हैव मेंशन लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स लाइक टाइम मैनेजमेंट भी आपने मेंशन की। सो आई थिंक ईच एंड एवरी वन शुड कम एंड अटेंड दिस सेशन। पर्सनल सवाल, मैं आपको देखती हूँ आप 12 आवर्स काम करते हैं, बट स्टिल दिस लुक okay. And I believe every woman feels that they need to have something called beauty with brains, which I am telling you that you are having, and you are persistent with it from day one, from the time I have met you. तो मैं आपसे एक last question concluding the podcast, how can we actually maintain this time management? बहुत सारे करियर ऑप्शंस में हम कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि किसको ऑप्ट करना है, और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है हमारा फाइनेंसेस, उसको लेके हम हमेशा कंफ्यूज रहते हैं, एंड दैट इज द रीजन समटाइम्स वी मेक सम चॉइसेस जो कि अच्छे नहीं होते हैं। तो हम किस तरह से अपने दैट ब्यूटी विथ ब्रेन वो उस चीज को मेंटेन कर सकें। सेकेंडली, हाउ कैन वी मैनेज दिस मल्टीटास्किंग, दिस फाइनेंसेस एंड दिस टाइम मैनेजमेंट?
Three most important things before following our passion, every woman think. First is finance, second is time management, and third is her self love and beauty, because ये three things छोड़ के वो नहीं करना चाहती, और ये मैंने सीखा है। but believe me, जब आप फर्स्ट एक्शन लेते हो, जो आपको करना है, वो पैशन को फॉलो करते हो, तो पीछे आपके पीछे ब्यूटी आ जाती है, तो वेल्थ तो आनी ही है। सो ये जब आप पैशन को फॉलो करते हैं ना, तब ये चीजें होती है। और पिंक फिट मतलब मैं तीन चीजों से बनी हूँ, प्राजक्ता, पैशन एंड पिंक फिट। तो ये तीन चीजें आप भी फॉलो करेंगे ये वर्कशॉप में। मैं यही आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि ब्यूटी कैसे इनहांस होती है, फाइनेंशियली कैसे स्ट्रांग होते हो, और टाइम कैसे मैनेज होता है। यही तो मैजिक है ये वर्कशॉप का। वी आर कमिंग अप ऑन 14th of June, Saturday 11 a.m. sharp, and this is 3 hours will be life changing hours of your life, and believe me, you are going to rock the world after this workshop. I would like to conduct this workshop for people who are mentally, physically and emotionally stuck to take action. So let's take action together.
Sure, sure.